Hey everybody, Noah here with MarineMax. We are on board a Bertram 28XC today, one of the brand new models that Bertram just released recently. And you could really tell that Bertram has put their soul and focus into the outboard market. Obviously, boating in Florida and up down the coast, everybody wants the outboards nowadays. So they are transitioning from the inboard diesels to the outboards, and what's not to like about that? Like I said, we are on the Bertram 28XC today. Yes, different from the CC, the center console version. So this is going to rival the Vantage series compared to the Boston Whaler. And we'll have some fun today taking you through the boat. Starting off in the aft of the boat here, we do have Mercury Twin 300s, V8 Verados. You'll notice stepping back here into the aft of the boat that we do have some really overbuilt seats. Now this boat was designed to be, yes, a cruising boat, and yes, it was designed to do some fishing in the aft of the boat. So when you're ready to fish, you can just pop these up. These are really, really sturdy. And there you have it. You'll notice that Bertram has been using the diamond stitch pattern here, a really, really good fit and finish all throughout the boat. That is a staple with the Bertram outboard lineup. Do have a live well for all those live baits. There is an option for a sunshade in the back here. Rod holders throughout the boat. You do have a dive door where they're going to be using this to bring in some big fish or just diving at the sandbar. Everywhere you look on this boat, there's going to be a feature, right? So whether you have electric reel outlets for deep dropping, you have a Yeti cooler with plenty of space here. You could bring this up to get to your drinks. And then moving over here on the starboard side of the boat, we do have a freshwater sink, Kenyan electric grill, and fridge. On the port side of the boat, we do have a 3-position lounger that does lay flat all the way down if you want to do some sunbathing at the sandbar. Also, moving in here, we do have the head compartment. Freshwater sink inside. There is a small window, and obviously the head. Stepping into the helm here, you'll notice that we do have Helm Electronics here. We do have Mercury joystick piloting, easy docking. We do have Skyhook feature with this. We can talk more about Skyhook later. And we do have autopilot, all in this right here. We do have the Mercury electronic shifter right here. The use of cables is over. It's all Bluetooth engineering. We do have Mercury auto trim. So when you're running the boat, it'll trim out to be the best MPG and best possible performance. Lenco trim tabs, that is a standard option. And finally, making our way into the bow here, you'll notice that this is one of the party areas on the boat. So once again, you'll notice that we do have the premium feel. The fit and finish on this boat's absolutely phenomenal. Obviously, we have some armrests right here. Underneath all of these seats, we do have storage, maybe life jackets right here. These latches are really cool, overbuilt. Unlike other latches that may break in the future, that's not going to break. And then what's really surprising about this 28-foot boat is the amount of storage space in this side right here. Check it out. A crazy amount of storage space. Everybody can put their day bags in there. Obviously, you have the cockpit table, and everything does seal up, so it will not get some water on it. So cup holders obviously at the front. And one thing to notice about the Bertram, and whether it's the 28 center console, 28 dual console, or 39 center console, notice the gunnel height. Everything is really tall. I'm 6'2". I'm a fairly tall person. If you have kids or small family members, they will feel extremely safe and secure in this boat because of how tall it is. Other boats in the class are going to be right about here. And if you do get into some choppy weather, maybe it's in the channel or a windy day, could become unsafe. So We will move toward the back of the boat. Once again, we'll go over a couple more things, and then we'll send you out in the water. Last but not least, we do have our rocket launchers here connected to the hardtop, as well as the Genlux Blue Water Outrigger. So those are an upgraded option on the Bertram 28XC. And that is it. If you have any questions on this particular boat, I know a lot of people haven't been able to see this boat. It did debut at Flibs. Give us a call. My number is 813-277-8105. You can call MarineMax in St. Pete, the Bertram hub here. So come on down, check it out. We'll see you here soon.